A push-fit joint is a simple method of connecting pipe and fittings together utilising an O-ring seal. To make a good push-fit joint, you will need a clean working environment, a saw, a chamfering tool, a deburring tool, suitable cleaning wipes, some silicone lubricant, a tape measure and a wax pencil. Start by trimming your pipe to length, using a saw to create a clean, straight cut. Next, use your chamfering tool to chamfer the end of the pipe. This is an important step to ensure the pipe can enter the O-ring without distorting or damaging it. Use your deburring tool to clean up and smooth the end of the pipe. Using suitable cleaning materials, clean the inside of the O-ring and the prepared end of the pipe. Use a small amount of silicone lubricant to lubricate the ring seal and the prepared pipe. It's important to only use a silicone lubricant, as other solutions may damage the O-ring over time. Push the pipe and the socket together until the pipe connects with the bottom of the socket. Mark the pipe using your wax pencil along the socket edge. Then, pull the pipe back out of the socket 10 mm. This allows for any thermal expansion of the pipe.